Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by installing Visual Studio with the desktop development for C++ workload, so the compiler and IDE integrate cleanly. Once done, choose the MSVC toolset, CMake, and Windows SDK to match your target platform. This ensures correct headers and libraries. Make sure to include optional CLI tools for command line builds. Open a new folder or create a project to initialize solution files. This jumpstarts IntelliSense, build system detection, and fast code navigation so you can compile immediately. You now create either a console app or a CMake project depending on your workflow. CMake is recommended for cross-platform and library management. Then configure include paths and linker libraries in project properties or CMake lists so dependencies resolve at build time. Switch between debug and release to control optimizations and symbols. Use Solution Explorer to organize files, set startup project, and run build solution. This compiles sources, links objects, and surfaces errors to fix iteratively. You finish by running the debugger. Set breakpoints, use step into /over, and inspect variables in watch and locals to verify logic. Once behavior is correct, run Test Explorer for unit tests and use Performance Profiler to root out hotspots. If something goes wrong, make sure the platform toolset matches your SDK, double-check include and library paths, and enable verbose MS build or CMake output to see command line errors. This helps pinpoint missing headers, mismatched runtimes, or linker mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.